Lesson 8. How to understand chess symbols and points. Today we're going to learn about chess symbols. But first, did you know that there are more books about chess than all of the other sports combined? Wow! Well, chess has been played for over 1,500 years. As popularity grew, there became a need to shorten the description of historical matches. During the time of Shakespeare, one chess move was described as, "Then the black king for his second draught brings forth his queen, and places her in the third house in front of his bishop's pawn." So now, let's see the system that's used today. Learning chess notation is of the utmost importance. It is necessary to read and record games. It is also required during tournaments. Chess notation allows us to go back and review great matches by Bobby Fischer, the child prodigy from Chicago who at 13 years old won what some call the game of the century. And about Jose Raul Capablanca, who was known for his speed of play and exceptional endgame. Knowing the notation allows us to review all of the greatest games ever played and even the ones you will play with your friends and family. Your notes on the game will become a great tool to help you get better. Now each piece has its own letter. The capital N equals knight and is worth 3 points. B equals bishop, and it is also worth 3 points. R equals rook, which is worth 5 points. Q equals queen, and she is worth 9 points. No symbol is given to the pawn, and it is worth 1 point. The last one, K, equals king. The king is worth no points, but when you're in a position to lose the king, the game is over. Got it? Now, let's work on the symbols. A plus sign represents check. The pound sign is used to represent checkmate. Castling king side is represented as 0-0. Now 0-0-0 represents castling queen side. X represents capture. Now if your pawn happens to make it all the way across the board and it gets a pawn promotion to a queen, rook, bishop, or knight, you would use the equal sign.